Did you know that the human body has about 11 million sensory receptors? Receptors through which we take in information. And out of that, 10 million are dedicated to your vision. Yes, our vision is so important for us to make sense of what the world is, to make sense of any communication, to make sense of what is being told to us, what is being communicated. Even when we are communicating, we have to see it first inside our head before we can speak it out from here. So just reflect on the words that you use, reflect on the communication that you do with people, reflect on how you're communicating with them. How many times are you triggering the visual sensory receptor? How do you do that? Plain and simple, by using words like, can you see what I mean? Do you see what I mean? Can you imagine this? Can you notice this? Have you observed this? Do you see the future? Are you able to see the future? Using the word triggers visuals inside the other person's heads. And when you are using this word, whatever you say after that, that is what they will be imagining. So if I say, can you see a red apple? You did. The size may be different. The variations of the red may be different. But the fact is, you did see a red apple. That's how the brain makes sense. That's how it takes communication. It takes information and processes it in terms of the way you will understand it. So when you are communicating with your team members, when you're communicating with anybody for that matter, are you triggering their visual sensory receptors? Because if you're not, then your communication is lacking in giving them an understanding of what it is that you actually mean.